Alright, gamers, so for making the interior trim of the TR7, I've been tearing apart the interior bits, got the old interior bits around, I have big sheets of hardboard, and I'm making it off a trace, just cutting it. I'm using my nifty favorite tool, Dremel saw. This thing works absolutely amazing with the Canadian Tire table I bought. Alright, that's my update. I just stripped the backing off of that, cleaned it up with degreaser and towels. That's the panel that goes under it, half sound dead end. That's where we're at with this stuff. Alright, hey gamers, you see straight ahead in the middle there, I sealed up that hole, and I sealed up this one on the driver's side. They were just vent holes, the vents are down here. So yeah, more fiberglassing. It's the interior right now, looks great. Alrighty gamers, so this is the this is the parcel shelf behind the driver and passenger, in front of the trunk. I just fiberglassed the speaker holes shut, and I'll probably put some body filler in once that dries, sand it all down, hopefully make it look nicer. Okay, bye. Alright gamers, so update on the TR7, we've got 2 coats of POR-15 on the whole interior, you see there, and yeah, so we're just gonna let that dry, gonna top coat like this area and this little front of the hood area here, and yeah, then we're gonna start throwing some sound deadening in.